In module 53, we will discuss thinking, teacher, professional learning, performativity. It means how the teacher is expected to perform and what are those indicators and the factors that affect the performance of the teachers and what kind of the effort is expected from the teachers to enhance his or her performance. And new socioeconomic conditions have resulted in significant reconfiguration of professional learning in terms of the increasing integration of the work into curriculum. Curriculum is rapidly changing, and the pedagogy is also rapidly changing because of the globalization and other factors and the new inventions, and the experts are working in this field, and the interprofessional relationships. And then now the learning is considered as a practice that produced learning. On the basis of the learning, during the process of the learning, you go for the practices, and these practices create further knowledge. And the practices that involved agencies of an ontological, diverse kind, different types. And the practices based of the perspectives of the learning considered the effects of the both people and the material. And let us see what counts as the professional learning. Normal learning and the professional learning and the advanced learning, these are different concepts. And for the professional learning, there are three prominent concepts of teacher learning. Number one, knowledge for practice. It refers to the formal knowledge and the theory that teacher acquire from expert outside the classroom. You have discussions when you are in the staff rooms, when you discuss with your colleagues, with your seniors, with any persons who is relevant to your professions. This is one of the place where you find your relevant knowledge. You improve your knowledge. You also improve the others' knowledge. And for the use of the classroom in order to improve practices. And the other type is knowledge in practice. It is practical knowledge embedded in the work of expert teachers. For that, you have to approach expert teachers. If you are expert teachers, you have to extend your knowledge to novice teachers and your juniors. And the teacher reflections on the practice is the knowledge in the practice. While practicing my knowledge and while delivering my professional activities, teaching and learning activities, I have to reflect upon how I am performing, what kind of the mistakes and what kind of the strong things I am doing during this course of my actions. So this is reflective practices, and that is important, and that is considered as the knowledge in practice. And the third is knowledge of practice. It relies on the ideas and systematic inquiry about practice. You require number one, this thing, other than this you need next, what kind of the things. This is for your practice, of your practice. The knowledge and the theory produced by the others, you need to know. For you have to, for example, you are not easy with a specific type of the methods because of the diversified nature of your students. You need to know other methods of dealing with this diversified or the special group of your students. Then you have to go and read the books and the literatures or the theories produced by the others. And thinking, teacher, professional learning, performativity. Projective teachers, professional learning occurs in the thick of things. Very investigative way, and very minutely you have to see the things. It means that the central or the major role is in a situation where you are and which situation you are working. You have to look into the deeper situation, the intersection of the human and the non-human things. With the intersections, human and non-human aspects, you can find the solutions of the things and the different practices. Conceptualizing teacher professional learning. TPL is a very important and most commonly used terminology in the teacher professional practices. It is a peer formative knowledge practice constituted from my colleagues, from my friends, from the similar level of the practitioners where I'm working, and that I find for my own improvement, and enacted by the peoples and tools in the complex collectiveness. Different peoples, different groups are there, and as a groups they have thinking patterns. Then you can find your teacher professional learning. It operates differently across different contexts and different aims. It assumes different forms and creates different knowledge and identity effects in different locations. Yes, in the different location, if you are in the seminar hall, your identity is different. In the classroom, different. In the staff room, you are different. And the learning about teaching, it does not necessarily take teacher learners close to the teaching practice, but teachers emerge as the reflective practitioners. Yes, this learning about the teaching, you have to be reflective practitioner. You have to reflect upon, keeping on reflecting upon, continuously looking at, reviewing, evaluating yourself, and get engaged collaboratively in learning from seniors, learning from the situation, learning from the practices, learning from peers. Teacher professional learning is practical, distrusted, and include knowledge about teaching. That's knowledge about teaching, or you can say representational knowledge, specific knowledge. And the knowledge as, or knowledge in, or knowledge for teaching. It's called liquid knowledge. It depends on how participant in performativity accomplish it as a practice. Centrality of the teachers. Where is the central role of the teachers? It does not mean how the teacher is central or the important and for the entire process, and where the teacher has to look at and to make his or her professional role as a pivotal or the central thing. With the performative focus of the learning, the teachers are considered the critical variables. The teacher's impact is variable. Better practices, better output. Better practices, greater knowledge, better results. When it comes to students succeeding in schools and centrally responsible for their success, yes, it has direct relationship between the teachers' knowledge and the professionalism and the success and the knowledge and the accomplishment of the students.